I have to say, with Dolores County and their school administration, they were really wanting to build a school of the future. So they really wanted state-of-the-art, most efficient money could buy and that they can afford and fit their budget. This project is about 30,000 square feet. It is an elementary school. I believe they have about 80 students. So our summers are fairly mild out here. Winters, though, can be extremely cold. We will see those negative numbers. We will see a good depth of snow. Those are things that we took into account whenever we were designing the system. We also designed it to where they don't have to have backup resistance heat. So early in the design phase, when they contacted me to see if I was interested in this job, I asked them what they were leaning towards as far as the HVAC system. And they were going with kind of the old tried and true of boilers, possibly a chiller, big rooftop air handlers, VAV boxes. I have done previous Fujitsu AirStage VRF jobs, and I was able to show them a couple of buildings that were completed. One of them is actually in their hometown right here, which is a social services building. So we were able to go over there, explain to them exactly how it worked, show them the equipment, talk to the people that have been using it for a couple of years and get their feedback. Once we were able to provide a bunch of data for them of cost comparisons and difference of cost up front versus cost of use down the road, and they were able to analyze that data and numbers, it really made sense for them to go with the best technology on the market right now and use the Fujitsu AirStage VRF. I was able to bring in my suppliers from the Cafferty Group in Johnstone and also Dale Young from Fujitsu AirStage. I've known Dale for about 5 years, and his knowledge is immense.
As far as design conditions go here, I've been working in cold climates with VRF since 2005, and you learn very quickly that you have to design on the heating side in order to make sure you cover the capacity. So we're confident we can go down to -15 without any problems. When you combine all of that, you typically have a design it's oversized equipment compared to sea level, but it works very efficiently. And of all the projects I've done since I started VRF in cold climates, we've never had one problem due to the equipment capacity when designed correctly. With the equipment now going down to -15 without concerns, the defrost works fine, the altitude is not an issue. And with all of that combined, it makes for a very good design with the equipment.
With the VU5, we were able to size things in bigger banks, if you will. Instead of your small tonnages like 6, 7, 8 tons, we were able to go up to 12, 16, 32 tons. We have the Fujitsu controls, and then we've also got the new Edge controller so that their facilities maintenance guys can control and see everything from one location. The VU5 platform I really liked when I went to be trained on it in New Jersey and got that we could actually use this system as a heat recovery, or we could use it as a straight heat pump. That was never a possibility that I knew of. This VU5 covers both, and it's really nice to have that flexibility in order to give the customer what they need depending on conditions.
Fujitsu just makes everything simple, make everything very clear on your limitations on as far as like P-traps and how far you can run a certain line set or when you can turn a 90 and restrictions and as far as the drain side.
I've sold a lot of brands over the years, but what stands out to me with Fujitsu is their quality, their technical support, and their warranty. They have the best warranty in the business. I don't know of another manufacturer, whether it's VRF or it's unitary equipment, that will offer you the warranty that Fujitsu AirStage does. I put it in my own house.